on San Pete anymore, huh, Bill?
We are not. We have arrived. Trying to find our way through this maze. Oh, I see cars. I see a line.
Hopefully this isn't the spectator entrance. So we're out here, just got to LS Fest. We're parked right next to Welder Up's rig. It's sweet. Freaking nice. It's awesome to see this cool stuff, cool builds here. Drag pit, grip pit, car show straight ahead. Donut pits right there. This car show straight.
Oh, okay.
You want us over there?
I don't know. Just go straight if it says straight.
Like it? Nice. We'll cruise around, just cruise around all day. I don't know where we're going.
I think we went too far.
It said straight.
Currently hiding underneath the tent because it is coming down. Look at that. What's the plan, old kid?
It likes the cold apparently. It's running better, so we'll take it to the burnout pit.
All right. Hope we don't get kicked out.
We gotta do something.
It's kind of blurry with this rain. Nothing, nobody's saying nothing.
They left the gate open, it's their fault.
Where's the guy that's supposed to be?
Nobody's here for some reason. We need to do a test hit. You ready?
Well, that better do it. Uh-oh. I just looked down as a 250.
Hello?
Hi, so I'm going to escort you back to your trailer.
Okay.
And we're going to put it on it. I'm going to take that and your wristbands.
Okay.
Okay? You ready to follow me? Where's your trailer at?
It's outside.
What just happened?
I got kicked out of LS Fest.
First day. Event hasn't even started and we're getting kicked out.
That was the best burnout I've ever done, the most fun I've ever had doing a burnout, so totally worth it. Not gonna say sorry.
Let's go. If you're ready for burnout.
That guy's going to follow you, okay?
The car stayed together, dude. He was ripping. That was the funnest burnout I've ever had.
Well, we're getting kicked out of LS Fest. They took our sticker, took the wristbands.
They gave us tickets to come back and watch.